Alright guys, traditional only today. Shane Shane gonna get her done with the self bow, Osage self bow there. I got the Blackwater recurve. We're right there and sling some arrows. It's a little harder than with the compound, but hopefully we'll get it done. We'll see you out in the tree stand. Way to go, Robin Hood. Well guys, that didn't go as planned. I hit this doe bleat, and no sooner than I tucked it away, I had 4 doe come in behind me right there. Eased up, spun around, and I don't know if I didn't come back to full draw and undershot it, or my bow definitely hit either this limb or the bottom down there. I don't know if that threw off the shot, but nevertheless, it was a clean miss, so that's a good thing. You know, doe didn't get injured. It's a whole lot different story when you take the wheels off these bows. We're out here hunting traditional. Shane's out there with a self bow. Same thing. He's had a couple shot opportunities. Hasn't connected yet. I'll throw that in the video. hopefully he connects before we head back to Florida. But I said, you could probably hear my breathing pick up, and you know, that was just from does coming through. I do it on everything, small bucks, whatever. If you don't get that adrenaline rush and excitement out of it, you're in the wrong game, guys. Yeah, it's time to get out of it. But it is what it is. Like I said, these bows are so challenging. You've always got to look for, is your bow going to clear the limbs, the right time to draw back on the animal. It's just a different ball game. But it's about time to get down. We're going to head back to the cabin, grab some lunch, and then ease back out here this afternoon. Maybe we'll get another shot opportunity. But we're having a blast here in Tennessee. Looks like we're gonna have some deer head soup for lunch, y'all. Not quite ready. Almost. Alright guys, well, we had some excitement. I had a couple, like a spike, chasing some does around, then one nice buck come through chasing a couple does. I guess there's a hot doe running around in the area. Nothing really got close enough for a shot. It's a little tricky with these bows, guys. You don't really have the range like you do with a compound, but it is what it is. We're trying to get it done traditional. Hey guys, if you're going down the road, don't throw stuff out the window. Usually somebody owns that property, especially if they're letting you hunt it. Go and give them a little hand, pick up some trash or whatever, but going down the road, don't throw stuff out the window, especially on these back roads. These farmers own all this land, and they have to get out there and clean your mess up. Picked up 2 garbage bags, blanket, an old tarp and all that within 75 yards on a private road back there. That's crazy. Meh. All right, guys, that's going to do it for our Tennessee hunt. This is our last evening here. We're going to pack it up in the morning. I think we're going to stop at South Carolina before we take it back to Florida. But looks like the deer got us on this one. Those trad bows is a whole different level, guys. It's a lot more challenging. It's a lot more exciting. But nevertheless, they gave us a slip. No deers were injured. You know, they were all clean misses. So I did slip out there with my compound. That's a different video. Check out that one. That was a little different story for the deer. Didn't work out so good for him on that one. But nevertheless, it was a blast here in Tennessee. So if you like this kind of content, consider hitting that like and subscribe button. And we'll see you on the next one.